See, the car has me in ninth gear, only going 45 miles an hour. So if I needed to go around somebody and I hit the gas, see, slips out of gear. Then finally gets back in gear a little bit, but still has a hard time. Now that's in a lower gear, like it's supposed to be at that speed. Then it has normal pickup. So for some reason it's keeping me in a very high gear. Again, it's in 8th gear, and I'm not even touching the gas at all. Slowing down, keeping me all the way in 8th gear. And then I go to hit the gas. Oh, and this time it worked. But you caught it on video how it slips out of gear when I try to give it some gas. And I believe it's because the clutch is failing, especially when it's keeping me in some abnormally high gear. Look, I'm in 10th gear, going 50 miles an hour. Really? 10th gear? The maximum gear? I should be going like 100. I'm not even touching the gas in 9th gear. See? Try to hit the gas and I can't go anywhere. Slips out of gear. Now it dropped me all the way down to 1st gear, 3rd gear, 4th gear. Doesn't know what gear to put me in. So something is totally wrong with the transmission altogether. And the clutch is definitely failing anytime you try to give it some gas.